guys, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I'm going to share what I found today in Michael's. I wasn't planning on making this little video. It just happened to happen. I was actually only in Michael's to pick up these little placards to show you jewelry pieces. So when I get jewelry, you can see them a little bit better. And that's why me and my daughter went in. But when we went in, they had $5 grab bags there. So my daughter grabbed a couple, I grabbed a couple, and I thought I'd open it with you guys and show you what I got. Okay, so this is the first one that I'm going to show you. On our boxes, they had everything that was listed or what the category was. Like this one was planners, of course. And they also had a box that had frozen stuff in it. I don't, from the show. I don't know what was in there. They had another kids one and they had a wood one. So I got the planner and I got a wood one. So I'm gonna open both and share it with you guys. So let's see what I got, shall we? Now I already cut the tape open and I did peek in here a little bit because I couldn't help myself. Me and my daughter were going crazy. But yes, so I mean, I cannot believe we got these for $5. Now, yes, it is halfway through the year, so of course that's why they're getting rid of the planners, but still, right? I mean, $5, we still got half a year, and so I thought I'd share with you. This first one is a happy planner, and it says on the front, Dream Seeker. And it's a nice, let me take these little plastic pieces off. This is your basic planner. It has all the stuff in here. I'm not used to filming like this, but this is the way it looks. I hope it's picking up on the camera. So there's one, it's a happy planner. Here's another little tiny one, and this just says Kiki. I don't know if that's a name or not, a good name. I'm not too much into planners. I know Nancy Rounds is into planners. I will link her channel up here too. And I was just talking to Alicia Martin this morning, and she was talking about setting some goals. And she was talking about, recording all this stuff. So that's funny that I found this. So Alicia, if you're watching this, get the Michaels in your area. Hopefully they might have some of these. But anyway, here's the next one. And it has all this little notes in here. So that's cute. And then another happy planner. And it says 2020 will be great, amazing, wonderful, awesome, colorful, magical, and happy. Well, guys, I don't know about all that. 2020 has been trying us all, I believe, but this is a cute, right? Yeah. And my daughter, I don't want to say the name of the song because it has a lot of cuss words in it, but my daughter was, when we were going to Michael's, there's this new song out talking about 2020, and she's basically saying she's over it. I can't remember the title of it, but yeah, kind of a good song, even though it's a little naughty, but it's kind of, tongue-in-cheek. She can't wait for 2021 to be here. But anyway, this is the planner, so awesome. And we have another one. We have two of these actually. And it's a heart-shaped lady holding some heart-shaped roses. And we have two of those. And we have The Sky's the Limit. Oh, this looks nice. This looks like a lot of things you can just, monthly vision board. We have this goals journal, and has the monthly planner, and it's blank, so you can fill it in. It's not going to have an expiration date. Your goals, your notes. So that's awesome. We have dreams. Don't be pushed by your problems. Be led by your dreams. I love that. We all need to do that right now. And so, yeah, lovely book. Another planner. The Happy Planner 2021. And nice design, I guess. I can't believe all these planners for $5. Look at this one. That is gorgeous. Kindness is contagious. Yes, that's nice. And we have what? Something ain't easy. Mommin? What does that say? I do not even know. Oh, Mama. Mama, it ain't easy. Oh, this is for moms. Tired as a mother. Don't make me use my mom voice. Don't you make me. Another book called Enjoy Little Moments, Big Days. Embrace happiness. Things that make you happy. Gratitude challenge. Okay, we're gonna take one gratitude challenge just for fun, and you guys leave a comment down in the comment section. And I'm gonna take number 8, just random. What made you laugh today? If you guys would like, answer that question down in the comment section. What made you laugh today? And let's spread some joy through this year 2020. How about that? Okay, and here are some stickers. And my daughter knew all about these. Like I said before, I've talked about it in my other videos. I'm not too much into planning, but my daughter is. And she went haywire when she saw all these. But I forget what she said these are called. Wrong? I don't know if I'm saying that, but she's like, oh yeah, those are really nice stickers. Okay, and now we have one more book called Do. Live the life you've imagined. Where are you going? Where are you going? If we wait until we're ready, we're waiting for the rest of our lives. Lemony Snicket. Value your time. It's not enough to be busy. So are the ants. The question is, what are we busy about? So awesome. I can't believe I got all these items for $5. We got one, let me see. We got 1, 2, 3 books. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planners, some stickers, a small planner, and oh, one more book. Okay, so that was in the planner box. Now, the other box I got was this big baby. And this box was labeled wood. All right, so I'm gonna try my best to show you guys this. Now, the first one out is these, and I already know what I'm going to do. I have a fence, a nice wood fence, so I want to paint all these and hang these on my fence. And you know who, somebody who really has a beautiful yard, and that is Lois Life. Oh, if I get your name wrong, I'm so sorry. I watch her channel all the time, Lois Lifestyle or Lois's Life. She has a yard, and she has a green thumb, and she has, her whole yard has like these little like little sections. They're just like little garden sections. They're just so cute. Anyway, she has little fences and she has little things like this hanging on her fences. So immediately that's what I thought. I'm going to paint these and I'm going to hang them on my fence and make a nice little garden section. So hopefully maybe after I get all that done, I'll show you guys what I ended up doing. And this says spring. And of course you could paint that and that would hang beautifully on the fence too. And then how cute is this? 2 little flowers. So we got a spring sign, some watering cans, some flowers, and then we had 2 more spring signs. So on the back of these, if you guys can read that, it says $12.99. And I got 3 of these. I got 2 flowers, and they're saying those are $12.99 a piece. The other sign, and then 2 watering cans, and they are saying these are $12.99 a piece. So I got all this for $5 in this box. So today was a good day. I had a fun shopping experience. Complete random accident going in there for this and ended up with all this stuff for $10. Okay guys, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.